Hey, Color Queen. What are your favorite Salem specific products?
Gotta start off with the Witch City MoonDrops here. These are an essence that we actually made to sort of capture the essence of Salem itself. So if you're visiting Salem and you want to take a little piece of Salem home with you, this is the perfect thing to do it. I would also say, actually, right above me here, these color meditation prints by Moon Nectar Apothecary. They all have different colors to help you sort of visualize different energies and incorporate them into your life. Centering into Intuitive Awareness one is a HausWitch exclusive, so you can only get it here. It's a collaboration we did with her. And then last but not least, I'd have to say this really beautiful pentacle print. It has a rainbow of little crystals in there, so you know that I love that. And it's just a perfect little piece to have on your wall and matches pretty much any decor since it's got all those beautiful colors in there.